Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. When it comes to beach fashion, Sara Ali Khan has undeniably carved out her own niche in the world of Bollywood style. Her beach bikini choices are a perfect blend of youthful charm, bold experimentation, and a distinct personal flair that speaks volumes of her confident personality. Whether vacationing in the Maldives, soaking in the sun on the beaches of Goa, or enjoying international getaways, Sara consistently turns heads with her chic yet playful swimwear selections. One of her signature styles is the classic triangle bikini, often in vibrant tropical prints that match her energetic vibe. She isn't afraid of color, in fact, she embraces it. From neon greens and sunny yellows to bubblegum pinks and ocean blues, Sara's bikinis often pop against the scenic backdrop of sea and sand. But it's not just about color, she also pays attention to cuts and fabrics. High-waisted bikini bottoms, cut-out monokinis, and bandeau tops also feature regularly in her beach wardrobe, adding a dash of vintage glamour and modern edge. Her choices highlight her fit physique while maintaining a sense of ease and comfort, making her look both effortless and editorial-ready. She often pairs her bikinis with stylish cover-ups, think sheer kaftans, sarongs, crochet dresses, or even oversized shirts tied at the waist, which give a breezy, laid-back feel. Accessories are another crucial part of her beach vibe. She often sports large straw hats, tinted sunglasses, boho jewelry, or beaded anklets, effortlessly elevating her swimwear game. Sometimes, she opts for minimal accessories, letting the bikini do all the talking. Her Instagram feed is a visual diary of her evolving beach style, playful boho one day, glam diva the next. Beyond aesthetics, there's also a sense of authenticity in how she carries herself. She's known for posting candid, unfiltered beach photos, exuding body positivity and self-love, which adds a refreshing layer to her fashion narrative. Sara also has a penchant for matching her beachwear with the mood of the destination, pastel tones for Santorini-like coasts, bold hues for tropical getaways, and floral prints for rustic beaches. Whether she's posing mid-deep in the water, sipping coconut water by the shore, or casually strolling down a pier, her fashion sense remains fresh, fun, and full of character. Over the years, fans have watched her evolve from sporty and simple beachwear to more curated and fashion-forward choices, reflecting her growth not only as a style icon but as a person who celebrates individuality. In essence, her beach bikini looks are more than just style statements, they're visual extensions of her vibrant personality, her connection to nature, and her unapologetic confidence in expressing who she is. Her fashion on the beach is not about fitting into a mold, but rather about creating her own colorful, confident, carefree canvas, one bikini at a time. The Bollywood actress, known for her fresh face, candid charm, and royal lineage, has firmly established herself as a modern style icon, especially when it comes to beach fashion. Her choices blend comfort with couture, tradition with trend, and casual coolness with bursts of glam, making her a standout figure whenever she vacations by the sea. From sun-kissed beaches in the Maldives to the vibrant shores of Goa or the exotic islands of the Mediterranean, Sara consistently makes waves not just with her presence, but with her impeccable and effortless beach style. Her wardrobe seems like an ode to vibrant aesthetics, think bright, tropical prints, breezy kaftans, bold bikinis paired with statement accessories, and playful sarongs. She loves experimenting with colors, often seen in sunshine yellows, ocean blues, and fiery reds, reflecting the spirited essence of the tropics. Yet she doesn't shy away from softer hues either. Pastels and whites often make appearances, bringing out her natural tan and glowing complexion. When it comes to swimwear, she alternates between sporty bikinis, flirty monokinis, and retro high-waisted two-pieces, each selected to highlight her toned frame while maintaining an approachable, girl-next-door vibe. What truly makes her beach fashion stand out is her love for layering, think mesh cover-ups, oversized cotton shirts, crochet dresses, or even a casual denim jacket thrown over a bikini. These combinations speak to her instinctive style intelligence, adding dimension without losing the ease of a beach look. Accessories play a pivotal role too, be it boho chic sunglasses, wide-brimmed straw hats, seashell jewelry, or jute tote bags. She knows how to elevate an outfit without overdoing it. Even her hairstyles, loose waves, messy buns, or simple braids, complement the beach aesthetic effortlessly. Sara's beauty choices at the beach are just as thoughtful. Often going makeup-free or wearing just a hint of tinted lip balm and waterproof mascara, allowing her natural radiance to take the lead. She seems to embody a carefree yet conscious fashion sense, whether it's opting for sustainable swimwear brands or embracing Indian textiles in Western silhouettes. At times, she surprises fans by incorporating desi elements like tie-dye dupattas used as sarongs or jhumkas with a maxi dress, bridging her cultural roots with contemporary trends. She frequently shares snippets of her beach getaways, captioned with quirky poems and puns, where her outfits often become an instant hit among fans and fashion enthusiasts. Her beach looks, it's not just about the bikinis themselves, but how she styles her entire aesthetic, from her natural makeup choices to her effortlessly tousled beach hair. While many celebrities go for heavily contoured looks even by the shore, Sara often chooses a minimalist, dewy glow that complements the tropical setting. Her go-to beach beauty usually involves sun-kissed skin, lightly filled brows, subtle highlighter, and lip tints in peach or coral tones that look fresh and natural under sunlight. Occasionally, she'll go completely makeup-free, letting her freckles and natural glow steal the show, and this rawness only adds to the charm of her vacation portraits. Her hair is another statement altogether. Sara doesn't shy away from letting her natural curls breathe in the salty ocean air. Whether she wears her hair in loose waves, braids, or a messy bun, it's always perfectly imperfect, matching the relaxed, wild beauty of a beach environment. In some photos, she'll accessorize her hair with floral clips, colorful scarves, or even shells, enhancing the coastal vibe and giving nods to boho chic trends. It's little details like these that showcase her eye for balance, never too loud, never too simple, always just right for the mood. One of the most captivating parts of Sara's beach fashion is how she captures the setting itself. Her bikini moments are often photographed with artistic angles, golden hour lighting, and serene backdrops, making every image feel like part of a travelogue. Her captions also deserve a moment of appreciation. Sometimes they're witty puns, other times they're snippets of Hindi poetry, Sanskrit shlokas, or fun rhyming couplets that mirror her quirky personality. This mix of intellect and whimsy adds depth to what might otherwise be just another bikini post. She turns each post into a mood, a story, a memory. That's why people don't just scroll past her beach looks, they engage, they comment, they feel like they're part of the moment. From a cultural lens, her openness with her beachwear choices has also had a subtle but significant impact on breaking stereotypes. In a society where wearing a bikini can still be seen as bold or controversial, especially for a woman in the public eye with royal lineage and traditional roots, she has shown that modern Indian identity can be multifaceted. She honors tradition in her own way through her language, values, and expressions of self-respect, while also embracing freedom and body positivity. This duality is what makes her stand out. She's not boxed into one image or one way of being. She's proved that you can do yoga one day in a salwar and sunbathe in a bikini the next, and both are equally valid expressions of the same person. Sara's influence on beachwear trends is especially noticeable among young travelers and fashion-conscious Gen Z audiences. Many have started emulating her look, not just with similar bikini styles, but with the complete vibe, the carefree energy, the thoughtful accessories, the mix of high and low fashion, and the unapologetic joy of embracing one's own body. Even brands have begun to align their marketing language with the type of content Sara puts out, highlighting natural beauty, candid moments, and colorful creativity. In essence, her beach bikini fashion is more than just a trend, it's a reflection of a larger cultural shift. It's about confidence without arrogance, sensuality without overexposure, and style without losing personality.